Imagine booting up a Linux system for the very first time and instead of the usual utilitarian look, instead of sharp edges, bland colors, or the familiar desktop layouts you've seen 100 times before, you're greeted by something that feels alive. The wallpaper flows like digital art rather than a static image. The animations are smooth but subtle, never distracting, just enough to make everything feel polished and intentional. Windows don't simply open, they glide into place as if the system is aware of your attention. The icons feel handcrafted, the font's perfectly balanced, and the entire desktop looks less like an operating system and more like a carefully curated design experience. This is the moment I realized I was using the most beautiful Linux distro I've ever touched. And honestly, I still can't believe it exists. I've tried a lot of Linux distributions over the years. Minimal ones, hardcore ones, beginner-friendly ones, rolling releases, enterprise-focused systems, experimental projects, and everything in between. Most of them prioritize stability, performance, or freedom, and while that's great, visual beauty often feels like an afterthought. Sure, you can customize almost any Linux distro until it looks amazing, but that usually takes hours or days of tweaking themes, installing icon packs, adjusting window managers, and fixing small inconsistencies. What shocked me about this distro is that it didn't ask me to do any of that. From the moment it finished installing, it looked stunning, cohesive, and intentional, like the developers actually obsessed over every pixel. The first thing that hit me was the overall visual identity. Many Linux distros feel like collections of open-source components glued together, each with its own design language. This one feels unified. The color palette is carefully chosen, not too bright, not too dark, with accents that draw your eyes exactly where they should go. The desktop doesn't scream for attention, but it also doesn't fade into the background. It sits in that perfect balance between elegance and personality, where you can stare at it for hours without feeling tired. Then there's the desktop environment itself. Instead of feeling heavy or bloated, it feels light and responsive, yet rich in features. Animations are consistent everywhere. When you open the application launcher, it doesn't just pop up, it flows. When you switch workspaces, it feels like moving through a three-dimensional space rather than jumping between flat screens. Even resizing windows feels satisfying, with smooth transitions that make the system feel modern and refined. This is the kind of experience people often associate with proprietary operating systems. Yet here it is, fully open source, running on Linux. What really surprised me was how practical this beauty is. This isn't just eye candy layered on top of a sluggish system. Under the hood, everything is fast. Applications launch quickly, system resources are handled efficiently, and nothing feels like it's wasting your time. You can tell that the visual design was built alongside performance considerations, not at the expense of them. This makes the distro incredibly pleasant for daily use, whether you're coding, editing videos, browsing the web, or just managing files. The attention to detail goes far beyond the desktop itself. The system settings are beautifully organized, with clear typography and logical grouping. Instead of digging through endless menus, you actually enjoy exploring the options. Every toggle feels thoughtfully placed. Even error messages and notifications are styled in a way that feels calm rather than alarming. It's the kind of design that reduces friction and stress, something that's rarely talked about in the Linux world, but makes a massive difference in long-term use. The default applications are another area where this distro shines. Often, Linux distributions ship with a random mix of apps that technically work but don't visually match each other at all. Here, everything feels consistent. The file manager, terminal, text editor, media player, and system monitor all share the same design language. Icons match, spacing is consistent, and fonts are uniform. It gives you the impression that the entire system was designed as a single product rather than assembled from parts. The terminal experience alone deserves attention. Instead of being a plain black box with white text, it feels integrated into the desktop. The transparency is just right, the font is crisp, and the color scheme makes long sessions comfortable on the eyes. For anyone who spends hours in the terminal, this alone can be a game changer. It doesn't just look good, it actively makes you want to work. Another thing that amazed me was how well this distro handles dark and light themes. Many systems technically support both, but clearly favor one over the other. In this case, both feel equally polished. Switching between them doesn't break anything. Icons remain readable, contrast stays balanced, and nothing looks out of place. It's clear that both modes were designed with equal care, which is rare even outside the Linux ecosystem. What truly elevates this distro into something special is how it feels emotionally. That might sound strange when talking about an operating system, but it's real. Using it feels inspiring. It makes you want to open your laptop, explore, create, and experiment. There's a sense of calm when everything looks and behaves exactly as you expect it to. It reduces cognitive load, letting you focus entirely on your work or creativity rather than fighting the interface. I remember installing it on a relatively average machine, not high-end hardware by any means, and being genuinely shocked by how smooth everything felt. No stuttering, no laggy animations, no random glitches. The developers clearly tested it extensively and optimized it for real-world use. This is not a distro that looks good only in screenshots or promotional videos. It looks and feels incredible in daily life. The installation process itself sets the tone. Instead of a confusing or outdated installer, you're guided through a clean, visually pleasing setup that explains things clearly without overwhelming you. Even during installation, the design quality is evident. This immediately builds trust, especially for new users who might be intimidated by Linux. It quietly says, "Relax. This is going to be a good experience." Once installed, the welcome screen doesn't just dump you into the desktop and leave you alone. It gently introduces you to the system, offering helpful tips, optional tweaks, and guidance without being annoying. This makes the distro approachable for beginners while still respecting experienced users who just want to get to work. Customization is another area where this distro strikes a perfect balance. It looks incredible out of the box, but it doesn't lock you in. You can change themes, adjust layouts, tweak animations, and personalize almost every aspect of the interface. The difference is that you're starting from an already beautiful baseline. Any customization you do feels like refinement rather than rescue. What's fascinating is how this distro changes the way people perceive Linux. When you show it to someone who's only used Windows or macOS, their reaction is almost always surprise. They don't expect Linux to look this good. There's often a moment of silence, followed by a genuine, "Wait, this is Linux?" That reaction alone says a lot about how far the ecosystem has come and how important design has become. This distro also proves that open-source software doesn't have to compromise on aesthetics. For years, there's been a stereotype that Linux is powerful but ugly, functional but unpolished. This system completely destroys that idea. It shows that with enough care, passion, and attention to detail, open-source projects can rival and even surpass proprietary systems in terms of visual appeal. Another thing worth mentioning is consistency over time. Some distros look amazing initially but slowly fall apart as you update them. Themes break, icons mismatch, and things start to feel messy. With this distro, updates feel safe. The design remains intact, and new features usually integrate seamlessly into the existing aesthetic. This long-term consistency is incredibly valuable. The community around this distro also reflects its design philosophy. People don't just talk about performance or package managers, they talk about how the system feels to use. They share screenshots not just to show off, but because they genuinely appreciate the beauty of the desktop. There's a sense of pride in using it, which is something you can't manufacture artificially. Using this distro daily made me rethink what I want from an operating system. It's not just about raw power or endless customization, it's about balance. It's about a system that respects your time, your eyes, and your attention. It's about feeling comfortable and confident every time you sit down at your computer. Even after weeks of use, I still catch myself admiring small details. The way notifications stack neatly without cluttering the screen. The subtle shadow under windows that adds depth without being distracting. The smooth fade when locking and unlocking the screen. These are things you don't consciously think about, but you definitely feel when they're done right. What makes it even more unbelievable is that this distro isn't backed by a massive corporation with unlimited resources. It's the result of passionate developers and designers who genuinely care about user experience. That passion shows in every corner of the system. You can feel that this wasn't built just to exist, but to be enjoyed. In a world where many operating systems feel rushed or overloaded with features, this Linux distro feels intentional and focused. It doesn't try to be everything for everyone, but what it does exceptionally well. It prioritizes beauty without sacrificing usability, performance, or freedom. If you've ever dismissed Linux because you thought it couldn't match the visual polish of mainstream operating systems, this distro will completely change your mind. It stands as proof that Linux can be beautiful, elegant, and emotionally satisfying to use right out of the box. After spending so much time with it, going back to other systems feels strangely dull. Not bad, just less inspiring. This distro sets a new standard, not just for Linux, but for operating systems in general. It makes you question why more systems don't care this much about how they look and feel. This is not just another Linux distribution. It's a statement. A reminder that technology can be functional and beautiful at the same time. A demonstration of how far the Linux desktop has evolved. And for me personally, it's the most beautiful Linux distro I've ever used. One that still feels almost unreal every time I boot it up, because it proves that something this polished, this elegant, and this thoughtfully designed can exist in the open source world.